Rapids has issued a tornado warning for northern Jackson County in south central Michigan, southern Ingham County in south central Michigan, until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located 8 miles south of Eaton Rapids, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Leslie around 12:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stockbridge around 1:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Of course, under any sort of